we today?
Goldstream.
Goldstream Park. And it's the winter, it's January, so we actually get quite a bit of water in here. So
yeah, yep. Yesterday we did do it, but we didn't film.
Yep.
So, and it was higher.
Yeah, so I think
More flowy too.
We figured to make a good video. Yeah, let's get our boats launched, and I think Mom's gonna try to film, and
yeah,
we'll run these boats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Launch.
Let's get your boat launched there, man. Okay, well, I'll get mine in the water. Pretty good. Okay, that was awesome driving, by the way. My boat, I had a binding problem with the radio, so I couldn't drive, but good driving, man. Want to say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, hit the bell button down below. Bye.